Hello, this is Crowe. I'm doing my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. In this video, I'm going to be doing a blog post. If you are a global CEO, then you can build your own website. If you've not built that website, that's okay. Just go to the onlinebusiness.app, go where that website is going to be, and there's also a link at the top called blog. You can click that blog link. You can go ahead and start making blog posts even if you've not created your website yet. So when you click that, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the computer and show you how I do my blog post about a video I did about 2 days ago on the Bull Runners tank top. So I'll see you on the computer. Let's go on to the computer now. I have open in WordPad the blog post that I created using ChatGPT. For the header, I had ChatGPT create this header. And then also, besides writing the blog post, I had ChatGPT to also write me some keyword phrases. And as I read each paragraph, I went through my list of keyword phrases and tried to find the one that kind of best fit that paragraph. And that way I've got keyword phrases as headers for the paragraphs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this. So I will get right at the very beginning. And I'm going to copy this. I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, Control C. And then I can minimize this. When you go to onlinebusiness.app, go to the builder. In the builder, that's where you create your website. If you've not created your website, that's still okay. You can still do your blog. So when you go to the builder, even if you've not created your website, you can go ahead and be creating your blog. In your menu items, the last one is blog. So click blog. There are 3 defaults. I did 2 of these already. I picked the first one and the third one and did something there. I've not done one on the second one. So I'm going to click the blog post 2. It opens this up. And in blog post 2, we're going to put this information in. So when I scroll down where it says right here, when I click on this, I got to get it, all that other stuff out of the way where I can write here. I'm going to paste, and I pasted this information, flung my blog in. So let me copy the header. I brought it all in together. I'm going to do a Control X. That takes it away. And I'm going to click up here, and for blog post 2, I'm going to do Control V, and I pasted the header. So there's my header. It has a summary. It says what is the summary about this blog post. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to delete what's here. And this blog post is about the Bull Runners tank top. And then going down to the article itself, I can actually click in the article, and when I click in it, it didn't leave any spacing, so I'm going to actually I'm going to click here and press enter. There we go. I didn't do it to start with, but when I did do it, then I messed that up. Also, when I took this out, I need to delete and get rid of that. So I kind of started out with a discussion first, and then here is a header. I'm going to select this header, and I'm going to click bold the header. I've got an extra space where I went down too far, and we'll bring it back up. So there is the first paragraph, and then beneath that paragraph, I'm going to press enter, and it moves it down. For some reason I had to press enter twice. I thought it didn't work a while ago, but it does work. And I'm going to put my information in where that we can have a link to go to this. So what I did, I brought the link in so I would have it to use, but actually I'm going to take it and I'm going to do a Control X and get rid of it. But I'm going to go back to the menu. Here is this little symbol is a link. It says link, so I'm going to click on the link and I'm going to do external link. Click on the left, click external link. The URL that I cut, I will copy it here. And you get a caption. And I'm going to put click here to get your Bull Runner's tank top. Get your Bull Runner's tank top. And open in the same tab, I'm going to change that and put a new tab, and that way when they open it, it doesn't mess up the blog post. And I'm going to select this, and then it put that link in. You see the text is here, but actually it's I guess I hadn't checked this. This is the first time I've used this. So what I did not watch the videos. I just came here and did the man's thing. Just try it and see if it works. So that's what I'm doing. So it would look better if I had a different background there. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on this Bull Runners here. I want my cursor to be right at the beginning, so I need to do that. I'm going to move that down. And then I'm going to put a picture in. So come to the top and then click on, there's picture. When I click picture, it says the folder is empty, and it says I don't want to add a folder, I want to add a file. Well, the images are actually here, they're just taking a while to come in. I brought these images in the other blog post that I did. So what I can do is I had to wait a while for them to come in. I thought it didn't work. So I'm click that one to check it. I'm going to select it, and in a little while that should come into it. It came in, but it's way too big. We don't want it that big. So if I kind of click on it, there it is. I'm going to go to 25%. When I go to 25%, then that made it a lot smaller. So I brought a picture in. And what I would do is I would continue with this blog post. It's going to take a while to do it, but this gets you started. And I have a link into this to get the product. I've got a picture of the product. I'm also going to put some other pictures in, but on all of the other paragraphs for the header, I will select the header, bold it, enter and put more spacing in it. So I'm going to stop here because it'll make the video too long. But I'll finish this, but you can go. I haven't read the instructions, as I said. I just came here and started working with it. I know I should have watched the videos, so when you watch the videos, you may find out there's a lot better way to do this. So if you do, then you can let us know. But I'm going to close for today, and thanks for watching. And if you would, please leave me a comment.